Hello everyone, and welcome to another dollhouse decorating video. Today is a big day because we are finally going to start actually decorating Tink's treehouse. Now, if you remember, this is the Hearth and Hand Treehouse by Magnolia. I bought it at Target, and I've just been sort of fixing it up for Tinkerbell because it's where she's gonna live. Now, since the last video, which was like done a year ago, I know, crazy. Anyway, since that time, I've done quite a bit of updating to this treehouse. So let's take a look at some of the little updates I've done since last time before we start moving furniture in and that sort of thing. The most drastic change is that the lower balcony is now closed in. This area down here was completely open, but I want to turn it into Tink's bedroom, and no one wants to live in a wall-less bedroom. So I created a back wall and side wall using craft wood. And the great thing is that these walls are totally removable. They're not glued down to the floor, so they can be taken out without damaging the treehouse. I used a square dowel in the back corner here for a little extra support, and then trimmed out all of the raw edges of the wood with skinny sticks. The trim work is staying the same color as the balcony, and the walls are painted in sea salt, which is kind of a bluish, greenish, gray color. And then on the front side, I cut little grooves to match the outer walls of the treehouse and painted it sort of a whitish gray color. I also made some curtains to give Tink a little privacy, and they are hanging from a curtain rod which is mounted beneath the upper floor. The rod is a small dowel with wood beads at the tips, and the curtains are sewn from a sheer fabric that is interfaced on the back, so it's not so see-through. I then used buttons and ribbon to make tie-backs so we can pull back the curtains and see Tink's pretty bedroom. And when she's ready for bed, we can just untie the ribbon to close the curtains. And of course, both the curtains and curtain rod are removable in case I ever want to change them out, because, you know, I like having options. So now let's move upstairs and start fixing up the main story. Here we have the main bedroom of the treehouse, and it's pretty much the same as last time. And if you're wondering what happened to the tire swing, no, I didn't get rid of it. I just took it down for the time being because my cats were chewing through the cords. Yeah, that's the danger of letting your cats in the craft room. Sometimes they destroy things. So until I can move the treehouse to a safer, feline-proof spot, I'm not going to use the tire swing. Okay, now let's begin filling this room with furniture, knickknacks, and anything else we think Tink might like. Here is a small bookshelf. I made this a while back, and it just holds some of Tink's random knickknacks. At the top we have this mini light box that I picked up at an odds and ends store. On the second shelf we have this spool charm, and then a quarter, totally random, but something I thought Tink might collect, and then this little blue glass bird. And then on the third shelf we have some mini model animals. So like maybe she collects brayers or something like that. And these are Safari LTD Good Luck Charm minis. And then down here on the very third shelf is where we're going to put Tink's books. So let me grab her books. Let's see, we've got Sherlock Holmes, Orient Express, and a Bible. And I plan to make more books and fill that in so that she has lots of good reading material. And we'll just slip this into the back corner here. Oh, and before I forget, all of those little pieces are secured to the shelf with a very strong double-sided sticky tape, so I don't have to worry about them falling off. So let's see, what else do we have here? Oh yeah, we have Tink's ladder. This is a necessity for Tink since she's kind of short. We'll just place it back here behind this big branch. I guess I should install a hook somewhere to hang this off of. Then we have another household essential, a mini vacuum cleaner. And we'll just put it right over here, sort of next to the ladder. Maybe this is like her utility corner. And next we have a TV and TV stand. So the TV I bought at Hobby Lobby, and the TV stand is part of a dollhouse furniture collection from Hearth and Hand. It's pretty simple, maybe even a little too simple. I'm keeping it for now, but I will probably swap it out at some point for something fancier. And let's finish this off by placing a DVD next to the TV. Here we have a farmhouse style rug, and making this rug was super easy. It's just a piece of felt cut to the size that I want. I think it costs like 99 cents at Hobby Lobby. Now we'll give Tink a chair so we can watch TV. And this chair is another Hobby Lobby find. The left side of the room is looking pretty good, so let's move over to the right side and start adding some furniture in there, such as this little dresser. This piece is also from the Hearth and Hand furniture set, and the little black thing sitting on top is a mini cell phone stand. I made this following a tutorial by My Froggy Stuff, and it's secured to the top of the dresser with double-sided tape. Now this space here is reserved for Tink's desk and computer. I did have a desk sort of thing here before. It was the vanity from the Hearth and Hand furniture set, and I tried to modify it to make it more desk-like, but it just wasn't working. It was just too plain. So I'm upgrading Tink's desk and computer setup by giving her this miniature office set, and these two are from Hobby Lobby. As you can see, this set comes with a desk, CPU, monitor, printer, keyboard, and mouse, and also a chair. And when I originally opened the set, the mouse was solid white. It looked more like a rock than a computer mouse, so I painted the black lines on it to make it look more realistic. So here is the finished living room, and I think it looks pretty darn good. It's sort of a blend between rustic and modern, which I love. Now, if y'all have any suggestions or ideas for things you think would look good here, feel free to let me know down in the comment section. And if for some reason you can't comment on this video, head over to our blog and you can leave a comment there. Okay, time to head back downstairs and set up Tink's bedroom. The first thing we need is a way for Tink to get downstairs. Now, this treehouse comes with a wood ladder, but I want something more slimline. So I picked up this miniature rope ladder from Amazon and am going to attach it to the upper story so Tink can climb down and get to her bedroom. So let's snip the loop at the top and tie little knots so the rope doesn't slip out. Let's add a dab of glue to each knot for extra security. Then I'm just going to glue this first rung to the edge of the upper story. Again, I want to be able to take the ladder off without damaging the treehouse, and I believe hot glue is the safest way to do that. Hopefully it's strong enough to hold Tink's weight. Now that we've connected the living room to the lower balcony, we can start putting the bedroom together. And the first thing we need is the bed. I ordered this miniature brass bed from Amazon. The maker is Melody Jane, and I think this is perfect for Tinkerbell. The bed comes with a white mattress, which I covered with a mini fitted sheet I made. We'll just slide that back there. Now let's put a nightstand next to the bed. I love this little wood stand from the Hearth and Hand furniture set, but I don't love its lamp. And I can tell that removing the lamp isn't going to be easy. It's really stuck on there. So for now, I'm using this small stool from the same set as a nightstand. And then for a light, I have this battery-powered lantern. We can set it on the stand and run the cord out the bedroom and tape the battery pack underneath the porch. And now Tink has a lamp that really lights up. Now let's put some pillows and blankets on the bed. And I will be posting a tutorial showing how I made this miniature bedding on our blog, so be sure to check that out. Well guys, that's about as far as I've gotten on this project. Obviously there are a few more details I'd like to add, like a little kitchen area right in here, and I'd love to decorate this space for the holidays. But I'm kind of running out of time for that, you know, since Thanksgiving's right around the corner. I suppose we could put a few of the pumpkin pillows we made last year here by the door. But other than that, I'm kind of out of holiday decorations and need to make some more before I can really go to town decorating this house for Christmas. Tink and I hope you enjoyed decorating her treehouse with us today. If you did, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to visit our blog for more dolly fun.